Welcome back, students. In this video we are going to be looking at something called Figma Mirror. It is a Figma app. You can test your app on your phone. Let's go to Play Store or App Store if you are using Apple. So I'm using Play Store, so I will go to Play Store, and there is an app called Figma. You can search a Figma, and after installing just open it, and after opening log in it with same account which is logged in your PC. So after login the interfaces look like this, and currently we have lots of projects in my app. So you can see there is options, like first one is there is a play button at the top left side. So that means it is a prototype, so we can just click on it. So currently we are using ClickArt version 1, so this is the prototype. So let's click on that. We go to same prototype on my screen. So you can see at the same time we have ClickArt app is open on our PC as well as on my smartphone. Okay, but problem with my smartphone is my phone has 6.2 inch screen and iPhone 15 Pro Max has a 6.69 inch screen. So if I go to home page, okay, so you can see on my screen, on mobile screen, the icons of the navigation bar is hidden, so I have to scroll a little bit to get that icon. But in burger menu it works. Like if I touch it, you can see the animation over here, as well as I can access to home page, category. But if I want to access the navigation bar, so I have to drag it a little bit, scroll it down a little bit, and after that I can go to category, orders, as well as into my accounts. So this is how Figma Mirror works. It is really easy. Let's say you want to share this app with your friend or with your client, and your client don't know about any Figma Mirror app. In that case, what you can do is that you can go to prototype in your app, and you can see the option called share prototype. In this option we get some options. You can add a email ID of them in this section, or you can just copy this link and you can share it wherever you want, like on WhatsApp, on Telegram, as well as on Instagram. You can DM them and they can just open it on their phone. But when I'm trying this on my smartphone, I don't know, for some reason it just kept loading. I'm not able to use this. Few days ago I opened the same link, but it was working, but I don't know what is happening right now. It is not working right now. You can see on the screen it is just loading for forever. So in this case, I don't know, there is might be a bug, or the system is under maintenance. Okay, there is one other thing. Let's say if I go into design, I already showed you this, but let me show it again. Okay, let's see, we are on home page. So on the mobile I'm also on the home page, and if I change the color of this banner, let's say I make this into blue or red, you can see it changes on my mobile app as well, on Figma Mirror app as well. So it is real time, and it is really good to see the interface like this, because our client will get the information. Let's say you are on the call, and your client say, okay, I don't like this color, please can you change this into something else, make it red. So in that case you can just drag a slider and your client will be, oh, this looks great. Okay, so we should keep this red. Okay, so that's the benefit of Figma Mirror app. And another benefit is, let's say when you are mobile, you can see the actual icon size. Let's say the currently icon size is pretty much good, I will say, or I can make that rectangle small. So it totally depends on the phone. Currently I'm using really old phone, so it is quite getting squishy. So but if you want, you can try it on your, let's say if you have iPhone, you can try it on iPhone, and you can observe the icons. Let's say on your phone the icons looks too much big. In that case you can make them small or big, like that. But in the currently I am liking this app. The burger menu section looks great, and all the options of the category as well as of the burger menu, so all things looking great. The only the navigation bar icon is little bit big, so we can change that. So that's the benefit of using Mirror. So we get the real perspective of app which we are designing. So fellow students, so that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.